Believe me guys, AI is about to take over an influencer job. I created these amazing videos with a free AI tool with no watermark, and trust me, it's free of charge. All right, so before I actually tell you what this tool is and how you can actually access it, let me play the video for you to watch and see how perfect the lip sync is.
So I've been using this anti-acne serum for the past couple of weeks, and I wanted to show you guys my results. You just put a few drops on your clean skin and gently pat it in. It's super easy. And as you can see, my skin is already so much clearer and less red. I'm really happy with it.
This website can actually create a video longer than 10 seconds. Guys, I cannot stop screaming, so I'm just going to go ahead and click here to download this video. Let me just start afresh for my new people. So what you need to do is just to come to your browser and type comfy.cloud. all right, so when you click on that, you are going to be seeing a lot of options here. You just go ahead and click on this option here. So when you click on that, you'll be seeing something like try comfy cloud for free. You go ahead and click on that. So after clicking here, trust me, this site is amazing because as a first time user, you'll be given 400 free credit every single month. That is how amazing this free website is. Let me just hold on and wait for it to load, just so that we could log in and start creating our video. So when you come to this website, you're going to be seeing something like New Year, sign up with Google to get 400 free credit every single month. All right, so when you click on that, you'll be seeing something like sign up with Google. My best advice for you is actually to sign up with Google. As you can see, we have successfully logged in the website. So these are so many templates here. You can see all template, popular, use cases, utility, getting started, note basics. So these are the creation type. I'm just going to come ahead here and click on all template. So when you click on that, the main purpose of this video is actually for us to access Seedance 2.0 and 2.0 fast. All right, so when you come here, this first one here is Seedance 2.0. This is when you paste an image to generate a video. The second option here is actually text to video, and if you scroll down, you've seen a lot of options here that you can actually access. But for me, I have a text already, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on this one that is text to video to start creating a video. So when you come here, you are going to be seeing their prompt here. We don't need all of that. I'm just going to go ahead and click on Ctrl A and delete everything here. All right, so for my prompts, I'm going to paste my prompt here. So I'm going to write to paste my prompt. Remember, I told you that this website can actually use it to create a video up to 15 seconds. So you can come here and choose your resolution. I'm going to leave it at 720 resolution. You come here and choose your aspect ratio. As for me, I'm making a YouTube video. I'm going to click here 16.9. so the duration, you drag it to fit in the duration you want. I'm going to be going with 15 seconds. So make sure you toggle this on because this is for audio to be playing on your video. And after everything, I'm just going to go ahead and click here to run. So where you see one here is actually where you can choose how many video you want to be generating per prompt. For me, one video is actually okay because this website is very amazing. So I'm going to be going with one video. So I'm going to be resuming later. So when you come here, you can see that one video is running. When you come here and click on this active, you're going to be seeing that a video is running. So I'm just going to go ahead and pause this video to resume later. Guys, you won't believe this. All right, so let me click it. All right, so I'm just going to be taking it from the start. Let's play this and see. When I told you I can actually generate video up to 15 seconds, did I tell you that I was kidding with you? All right, click here to play. Hey! don't joke with AI, I swear to God. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click here and download the video to my PC. I'm just gonna go ahead and off it here. In fact, at this point, this text to video is the best for me. So I'm going to paste this one. This is another script. So I'm going to generate this to be 12 seconds because my prompt said a 12-second high budget commercial animated guinea corgi guinea. So I'm just going to go ahead and click here to start creating my video. Guys, trust me, this AI tool is just the best. Let's click here and let's play and see.
Ninja Secret Feast.
Alright guys, so let me know what you think about this AI tool. You can actually try to use the image to video feature. Maybe in my next video we will be trying that out together, but I don't want this video to be very long. So this is the image to video feature. So let me just quickly explain it. If you have watched my video on is it Robo Neo, it's just the same thing. So when you come here, you just need to go ahead and be deleting all of this and just leave one of them and then upload your video and paste in your prompts and generate your video. So I'll be doing this on my next tutorial. Bye my loves, and I'm gonna see you in my next video.